In this video, I'll show you what to do in case your HP printer, HP DeskJet 2842e or probably other models, is not working. Even if you press any of these buttons, the screen doesn't wake up, or maybe the power button is just blinking non-stop and nothing is happening. There's many causes to this problem. Could be a paper jam, could be something else, could be your wall outlet not providing enough power to the printer. But what I suggest, and this is a very simple trick that can solve many different problems, is to simply go on the back of the printer. Even if the printer is turned on, don't worry, simply disconnect the cable. Wait about 5 minutes, don't touch anything, and after 5 minutes, go ahead and connect it back. Like that. Make sure you go all the way in. These cables are hard to push, and if it's not completely connected, the printer won't get enough power. Now, one other thing that I need to mention is that the cause of the problem could also be that this cable is not connected properly. If you found that you're still having an issue, turn it, okay, the other side and connect it. Again, make sure you push it all the way in. Sometimes you think you fully connected, but no, it goes even more, and then this connection will be secured and you won't have this issue anymore. The printer will start by itself. If it didn't start by itself, press the power button and wait at least 2 minutes so the printer does whatever it had to do to be ready to print. I hope this solved your issue. If so, please leave a like. Also leave a comment if you have other tricks or if this trick worked, and I'll see you in the next video.